Hello student, here we discuss about 20 amino acids which are very essential for our body. We are discussing here 3-letter and 1-letter code for amino acids as well as how they can form protein and which are essential amino acid, indispensable amino acid. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Here first I will tell you 3-letter code and then I will tell you 1-letter code. So write it down. Glycine, GLY. 3-letter I have selected from here. 3-letter mostly where gluten and glutamic acid, then we have taken GL from here and N from here. So glycine GLY G, and then this is glutamine GLUE, glutamine GLN Q, isoleucine ILE I, leucine LEU L, lysine LYS K, methionine MET M, phenylalanine PHE F, alanine ALA ALA A, histidine HIS H, aspartic acid ASP D. Here we have taken D from last word. ASP D. Asparagine, this is ASN and N will be the code, one word code. Arginine, it is ARG R. Cysteine CYS C code. Serine SER, 1-letter code S. Valine, 3-letter code VAL and 1-letter code is V. Here you have seen that I made green stars here. So isoleucine, leucine, lysine and methionine, phenylalanine in a row, this as well as histidine and here valine. These are the essential amino acid. They are also called indispensable amino acid, very essential amino acid. And exogenous diets we have to take from it because we have to take it from the outside source, food source. So it cannot be synthesized in our body. And threonine is also having this is essential amino acid, and tryptophan is also essential amino acid. So threonine THR T, tryptophan TRP W, tyrosine TYR Y, proline PRO P, and 20 amino acids that comprise proteins. Essential and non-essential amino acid I have given to you. Essential acid I made stars, green stars. Draw these green stars, and then the rest of them others are non-essential amino acid. So very important. See here, B is missing. A, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J missing. K, L, M, N, O missing. P, Q, R, S, T, U missing. V, W, X missing, Y. So in this way alphabet you can learn